GoPro has a new rival. DJI, the Chinese company that makes drones, has made a GoPro-style camera. It's the Osmo Action. Unlike GoPro cameras, it has two screens. There's one in the back and one in the front, so you can take selfies. I mean, doesn't everybody vlog when they jog? Just try not to trip on something. But if you do trip, your video footage should be fine. DJI calls it rock steady, and it keeps your footage stable. The camera is also waterproof, so we wanted to take it out to the beach, but you know, it's a work day. So we decided to film this cute little submarine instead. The Osmo Action can even capture sound underwater. DJI says it's shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof up to 11 meters. The Osmo Action also captures slow motion, so we thought we would do a Matrix bullet dodge video scene, but actually our budget is not high enough, so we just went for this. The Osmo Action films 4K in HDR, which GoPro's cameras can't do yet. We'll have the full review of the Osmo Action soon, so don't forget to come back for that.